In this video, I will show you how to resize an image in Canva quickly and easily for any project or social media platform. Now, to get started, as you can see, I've currently just got a blank template opened on Canva. You can add your own images by clicking onto Uploads in the menu on the left-hand side, clicking onto Upload Files and uploading images from your computer. Or what you can do is come over to the left, click onto Elements, and you can use a ton of different images which are provided by Canva. Now in this example today, what I'm going to do is just use my logo. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click onto the image, which is going to add it to your template. You can also just hold down your left mouse button and drag and drop this onto the template as well. Now from here, you're going to notice if we actually click onto the image, you can see these different icons around the image, and we can use these to resize the image. So if you come and hover over one of the corners, you can see the actual cursor is going to change. You're going to go to like these two arrows. What you can then do is hold down your left mouse button and just drag it to increase or reduce the size of the image. Now you can also do this on the sides as well, but if you do it on the sides, it's going to crop your picture. So what I mean is if I hold down my left mouse button and drag the side of the border, you can see we are increasing the size, but of course it's just cropping it to the border. So that's a quick overview on how to resize an image in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.